Goodness. Now, sometimes I wonder why people should question why so and so did not go to so and so's event. Now, I don't know whether it's naysayers or curiosity, or is it because when you are famous, then people keep questioning why you cannot attend fellow famous people's events and all that. Now, I think people sometimes just have stories. As I said yesterday, it's like people have stories, so they want to keep, igniting so that they see the response, the reaction. Now, I told you Obinna is giving 10-0 to people. Now, recently, you remember the Diana B and Bahati event. Yeah, so you remember that event, it was all white, and I really like how everybody was. Tumbili, I saw Rispa, I looked at the former employee, Nekesa. I also saw Awinja, wakina Trudy. I looked at Tumbili with the demo Facebook, Jackie. The way they are arriving in style, hey, that's a life, This is the life all of us want anyway. Let's not lie. In fact, most of us women, we want to be loved loud. If I can say the truth, I don't know if there is a woman who doesn't want to be loved loud. If at all you have decided this is my lover, this is my husband, you want to be loved loud, you want to be gifted, you want to be taken for holidays. Nasra alisema juzi, a woman should not cheat beyond 3 boyfriends. Na the reason from what I heard, alisema one should be a provider of needs. Pesa, holidays, nini akitaka kwenda. Na akasema mwingine ni wa kuprovide ile love unahitaji, attention kwa nyumba hivi. And the third, ni yule tu anitishia watu. Yaani ukitembea na yeye sura ni kama yote. Eyebrows ziko sawa, ndevu ziko sawa. How do you see that, guys? Yeah, now back to the story. So recently you saw the white event kwa Diana B na Bahati. And people really excited themselves. Everything was fine. I liked the speech Bahati gave. I know some people are envious, ndio maana mnatoa negative comments. But that is expected of human beings, of course. What do you expect? People will keep talking about age and what have you, but in down their hearts, they're admiring that kind of life. And that's what I know. Yeah, so from the interview, after Obinna, Obinna failed to turn up. This is the interview in which he said this.
Sikupata nguo ya white.
But you said you have a lot of white in your work.
Yeah. Nilienda nikaziangalia, niko na mshaziona before. Alafu nikapiga hesabu nikasema Kinuti atakuwa pale. Nini nikajua hapa watu watakuwa very serious. So nikasema ni tricky. So nikamwambia Sharon na organize. Sharon akaorganize, akaleta nguo. Alileta mkono moja ifit. Imeni tight hapa. Sharon akapa niza kwambia. Yeah, but it was a very nice design. So it came a bit late, number one. Secondly,
Alright, so guys,
have gone
mmesikia?
to hang out.
Mmeridhika? Ama bado mna maswali? So I went to the comment section, then of course there are some people who are saying wewe wacha kutudanganya about the cloth that was brought. Eti siji mkono moja ilikuwa ndogo. Eti wacha kusema eti we could see with the same clothes na tumekuona, so what? How many people might have rewinded their dresses and all that? People are saying the key issue was that Obinna knew that when he goes there, people will begin to divert the attention from the event to Demo Facebook and him. Like they want to see where does he sit, how far from Demo Facebook, what will he do, how is he looking like, how are they behaving generally. And remember, hii story squeezer wanakanyagia. Kipindi re inaendelea. So kipindi re ikiendelea until the person decides to talk about what is really happening. They don't want to go on allowing people to see what they shouldn't see until the time is ripe. So guys, if I can tell you what I'm reading, it's because kipindire bado inaendelea. And the right time has not come. Ogobina anapenda kutuchezea kipindire, as I told you. Na the right time has not come. So how do you expect angeenda kwa event alafu haribu story, tuanze kucreate bloggers sasa wapate story ya kusema, content creators and all that. That's why amewacha kwa mataa. And of course it is one way of creating content. Wakati mnauliza mbona hakuenda sijui nini, wakati anafanya interview na Jackie, because Jackie is an employee. Yeye ni employee Obinna. Sasa huwezi niambie tena hold interview, why didn't you go? Of course she knows why he didn't go. So all this is kipindire. It's part of the script. You remember we were once told that nani anapenda sana kujua script, how to hold it for long. So curiosity yetu inaendelea kujengwa as people keep raising questions, and that is a moment of enjoyment for Ogobina. Anapenda tu vile mnauliza maswali, mnataka kujua, mnasema hivi na hivi, mnajaza mapengo. Na anafurahia because that is one thing yenye you sure about the script. It is us in the darkness. Yeah. So when I was looking at this, then I was imagining, okay, ebu oga uvae hiyo nguo tuone vile ilikuwa ndogo kwa mkono, tuone ni mkono upi, because naona ni kipindire. Eti nguo ilikuja white alafu ikakuwa mkono mmoja ni mdogo. But you came to say that you went to OBN and you are also chilling with OBN and who? Nikasema okay. So ulienda kwa collabo ya hawa major men, ukatoka kwa mambo ya kwenda kwa event. Anyway, at one point ulikuwa umesema you are not invited. But I wonder if you are not invited, ulienda kuitisha nguo ya nini? Yeah? Why was the cloth there? So the statement that you are not invited here in Bambi as an individual nakataa, kwa sababu if you are not invited, then why should you go to an expense of making a dress? I know you have coins, you have dollars, but I cannot begin mending clothes to an event that I'm not invited. And if you purpose for it, kuchill na Bien na nania inge kuzuia na Alikiba inge kuzuia, kwa sababu you would have chilled with them for some few minutes, then you go ahead and have the rest moving, because you are people who work around the clock. You inspire me, of course, with that. That is one thing that is making me feel like I'm lazy, because I'm not moving around the clock. Maybe I go about 18 hours. Nyinyi mnaenda 24 hours. Oh my God. And I think that's the kind of life we need in the current Kenya, whereby if you don't earn much, then even though tax ni kidogo, lakini bado utafeel. And you want that, live the kind of life you want. Yeah. So guys, nilikuwa nasikiza, then I was like, okay, I'll do some reaction on this because I'm not satisfied with your answers. So guys, kama unajua ukweli ni nini kilifanya Ogobina asiende kwa event, hebu tuambie, aache kutupiga kona eti clothes, eti I was not invited, eti I was chilling with Bien and Juakali and Alikiba. Kwa sababu that's not a good reason enough. Tuambie tu uliepa event ni kipindire iendelee so that we continue living in suspense to create stories about them on Facebook and you. Of course, them on Facebook was there. Nilimuona hapo na tumbili. At some point nikamuona hivi na hivi. Yeah. So guys, as we continue to watch, let's continue moving with the script and seeing what's up. Bye bye for now.